Oh, hello there.
What the?
I am so sorry, but I sneezed on you and accidentally killed you.
Yo, what the hell?
I am God.
What kind of goofy ass sneeze do you have?
Well, it might have been a little bit of lightning, and trust me, it wasn't.
Let me check on my scene.
Oh, sorry. This scene didn't have enough budget for that, so you can't sit on the. You also can't go outside of this area because of the budget. You know. But you're gonna be reincarnated because that's the way the story intended it to be. It's definitely not on purpose that I sneezed on you a couple times.
Are you okay? Can we just go back to the normal world? I'm actually sick of this place. I'm kind of
You didn't hear me, did you?
Value?
Bro, you didn't hear me! You're stuck in an isekai story. You gotta be isekai'd, and then you gotta go on an adventure. You hear me? Okay, I'll admit it. I killed you on purpose. Does that make it better? You're forced to go to a new world and do the original generic isekai story. How does that make you feel?
Well, good job. Bro, your bald head is so shiny, bro.
Bruh! My head's not bald! Don't you see I have one hair?
Yes. Bro, it doesn't even have toes, bro.
Bruh! What do I look like to you? A homeless person?
Actually,
Bruh! I'm God. I have all the power in the world. Do you hear me? By the power of God, you will be.
It's comfortable for me to sit in this shitty ass place.
You will be reincarnated.
Ouch.
With super strength.
Try to get.